Recently, foam rolling has become common in all sports settings and strength and conditioning. The belief is that foam rolling helps to increase recovery, promote flexibility, and increase the efficiency of strength. Foam rolling is a form of a self-massage in which the targeted muscle is rolled and compressed over the foam roller. The athletes feel it's easy, affordable, and efficient for recovery. How does it exactly work? There are various schools of thoughts about its mechanical effects, the neurological effects, the physiological effects, and the psychological effects. Some researchers do claim that it may have a great placebo effect as well. Poor research till date has been noted regarding its effectiveness despite the claims discussed above. Looking at the evidence so far, I discovered a paper by Wivelhow et al. 2019, which was a meta-analysis. The objective was to compare the effects of foam rolling before and after on, on sprinting, jump, strength performance, as well as on the flexibility. So it looked effectively as using foam rolling as a warm-up and as well as a recovery tool. Comprehensive search was done and the articles were retrieved by the authors. 21 studies were narrowed down and pre-rolling, so out of them 14 were on pre-rolling and 7 were on post-rolling. The results indicated that pre-rolling helped with the small improvement in sprint performance and flexibility. Negligible effect was noted on the jump performance as well as on the strength. Post-rolling was noted to decrease the sprint and the strength performance. Minimal effects were noted on the jump performance. So to conclude, pre-rolling definitely did show good short-term improvements. It was good for pre-sprinting, and definitely helped in the recovery and strength in the athletes as well, using as a post-foam rolling tool. So far, the authors do agree that there's limited evidence due to the poor methodologies. So more research was definitely recommended. Evidence at present tips more towards using it as a warm-up rather than a recovery tool. In the next video, we shall be discussing the mechanisms of foam roller, how it helps to influence the performance and flexibility discussed by the authors. Thank you.